Traders, what a great supply. CRWD CrowdStrike. It is the best in the industry. We had some problems over the last couple of months, but hedge funds are buying it up. We bought it right here. We featured the consolidation right here. That's 3 days up. That's resistance 1. That's resistance 2. Trader. Once again, you can get in on big stocks buy now, pay later program that we have for people like you. We're coming up to resistance. It's been a remarkable 3-day rally. The stock was left for dead. It's got a daily buy signal. All the other indicators are turning up. I see higher highs going up to 310. That's where I see this going from here, from that breakout point. Once again, sign up. Don't hesitate. We're full of every trade that you can do for 35 years. And then now we have a new program, buy now, pay later. Why would you, I use it myself. Why not? I save money. I save a lot of money, thousands, and I get to make more money when they hit. So once again, we do love CrowdStrike. I own it. I bought it. It's a 3-day pop. I see it going back up to 310. And longer term, I see it going higher.